PRC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Wednesday, the 18th day of March. James Spann here, as promised. Beautiful today, and really the weather looks good for a while. Let's go right to some of the Skycam shots around the network this afternoon. View coming from Clanton down in Chilton County. A few scattered clouds up in the southern sky. But generally speaking, the sky is sunny. On the eastern side of the state, there's a look at Mount Cheehaw's Skycam. Same sky there, just a few scattered clouds around. And from West Alabama, that old Tom Bigby River is in flood. That's the Demopolis view coming from the Skycam on top of the Demopolis Civic Center, but the sky above is mostly sunny. There's the visible satellite shot. You can see that little field of cumulus clouds right over us. It's clear to the east and clear to the west, but all of those clouds will dissipate once the sun goes down. And up north, the cold front. And we'll see how that plays into our weather. Look at temperatures. You can see readings below freezing north of that front. But down to the south, it feels so nice. And these temperatures are, by the way, at 12 noon today. 70s as far north as Cincinnati and Wichita, Kansas. A few 80s showing up around Oklahoma City. And we'll be back in the 70s tomorrow. There's a look at our numbers at noon today. We've got upper 60s and low 70s. At that point, the leaders were Tuscaloosa and Muscle Shoals with 73. I do think we see low 70s tomorrow. Numbers will back off a little bit Friday and over the weekend, but not much. And rain, not much. In fact, this is suggesting nothing here. This is the QPF valid through Monday morning of next week, and you can see just a little sliver of trace amounts up over the Tennessee Valley in northeast Alabama, and I think that's right. We'll still mention a slight chance of a shower late tomorrow with that front, but it sure looks like most places will be dry. Look at the modeling. This is the 12Z GFS at noon tomorrow. Shortwave trough to the north, driving our cold front. Little band of showers on the front at midday over Tennessee and Kentucky, but even there, hardly any. And that'll be coming on through here tomorrow night, mostly in dry fashion. And on Friday, we'll see that reinforcing surge of dry air. High should drop into the mid to upper 60s. And that's about where we should be for late March. Saturday, what a great day for anything outdoors. Sunny, upper 60s likely. Sunday, lots of sunshine, the high close to 70. We note that lead low developing over the plains of Wyoming. Monday of next week, a new lead low develops over the plains of Colorado, 992 millibars. You can see the winds really increasing over the southern plain states, but around here we will stay in good shape. Looks like Monday will be a sunny day. Tuesday, pretty big trough out west. And down below that, the leading edge of the showers tries to ease in here. For now, we're not mentioning rain on Tuesday. We might have to insert some risk later for West Alabama. The primary surface low passing way north, and then Wednesday of next week. This is the 25th of March. Here comes the cold front. Really, the main dynamics are pretty far north initially, but we go to Thursday, and it looks like a wave of low pressure forms on the trailing front, enhancing the rain. Might be some convective feedback there, but it sure looks like we've got a 2-day shot at rain next week, and that would be Wednesday and Thursday. And we could see some pretty beneficial rain with that. Severe weather not especially likely in that setup, but as always, we have to watch out for strong storms. And hey, look at here, Friday the 27th. A week from this Friday, that's turning cold over the east. Yeah, 540 line down to Birmingham, a northerly flow, suggesting a few flurries there back in the cold air to the north. And Saturday, March the 28th, by golly, a cold core upper load up north. That looks like a cold day. The 540 line drives down to near Troy, and even some hint of snow flurries over the Tennessee Valley up into the state of Tennessee. So, we've told you now, don't be planting stuff. It's too early for that. Late season cold snaps happen here, and they just always do, and that sure looks like that's going to be one of them. Is it the last one? Probably not. We typically see one in April as well. We'll go out to the end of the forecast, April 3rd. Good-looking trough axis off to the west of the state, and That looks kind of wet and unsettled. And again, these are our 2 wettest months of the year, so frequent storm systems this time of the year to be expected. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes on the blog. The next weather video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on TV tonight. If you're local to us, that's ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 5, 6, and 10. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful evening, and God bless.